Ever used an app to check the weather, book a ride, or log in with Google and wondered, how does all of this even work together? Well, behind the scenes, there's something doing all the talking. It's called an API, and today, in the next 5 minutes, you'll finally understand what an API is without the headache. Imagine you're building an app. You want to show weather data. Do you build your own satellites? Track clouds manually? Become a meteorologist overnight? Probably not. You just want the data. Quickly. But how do you ask another system for data? In a clean and safe way. That's where APIs come in. Think of an API like a waiter in a restaurant. You, the client, are the customer. The kitchen, the server, is where the magic happens. And the waiter is the API. Here's what happens. You don't go into the kitchen and cook your own food, right? That would be chaos. Instead, you tell the waiter what you want. The waiter takes your request to the kitchen. The kitchen prepares your order, and the waiter brings it back to you. Simple, clean, organized. That waiter is exactly what an API does. In real life, an API works like this. First, your app sends a request, like, give me today's weather in Paris. Second, the API receives it, just like the waiter taking your order. Third, the server processes it, the kitchen cooking your food. And fourth, the API sends back a response. Your dish arrives. Usually the response comes in a format called JSON. That just means structured data your app can understand. Now, not all APIs are the same. Public APIs are available to everyone, like weather APIs or maps APIs. Private APIs are used inside a company. Internal tools, company dashboards. Only authorized people can access them. And partner APIs are shared between specific businesses, like payment systems or travel booking platforms. Let's recap quickly. An API is a messenger between your app and another system. You send a request, the API delivers it, the server responds, the API brings it back, just like a waiter in a restaurant. No chaos, no confusion. APIs let you save time, use powerful services, and build better apps faster. Instead of reinventing everything, you connect to what already exists. If this made APIs finally click for you, hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and tell us in the comments, what topic should we explain next? Because here at CodeToons, we turn complex tech into simple stories. See you in the next one.